Cloudy start to the day, breezy out there too, warm and humid temperatures right now in the low and middle 70s with dry conditions. That's going to change closer to 11 a.m. lunchtime today as rain and storm chances will increase. We also have a risk for strong and severe storms that will start wrapping up closer to 6 o'clock, and we'll have a dry start to the night before showers return into early Friday morning. You can see the dry conditions now, but rain not too far away. That frontal boundary continues to creep closer to the east as this low pressure will track more north and east of us. That severe weather threat ramps up for us today. It's a level 2 of 5 risk, so damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, and we could see some hail potential also later today. So again, pushing into lunchtime, that line starts to draw closer. We'll get some of those stronger storms potentially developing with some locally heavy downpours as well. By 4 o'clock, watching the storms track along the coast, mainly east of I-59, and then we wind down the rainfall. And we'll see a chance for some showers starting to return Friday morning as that front starts to lift back as a warm front, but nothing severe Friday, and will dry out by Friday afternoon. You'll notice breezy to windy conditions today. Wind advisory from 9 a.m. until 6 o'clock later this evening. Little cooler Friday. We'll call it cooler, middle 70s. 85 Sunday, some scattered rain and storms Sunday, and cooler Monday.